So I wanted to share with you my experience with the Spring into Action that we are just finishing up for this month of April. I'm loving the daily videos that we're given. They're short 10-minute videos or maybe shorter, but they provide so much value within that short time frame to help with your mindset. Your mindset is so important. And my confidence has grown so much just in the short month of April. So I know that the month of May going forward, it's just going to get even better because of that mindset shift. And also within those videos are 3 different content ideas to help you be able to create content for your social media platforms for your perfect customer. So having those content ideas really helped tremendously this month. So I know that going forward into this next 90 days is going to be even better because April has been just life-changing already.